everyone, it's Nails by Riss here, and in today's video, my boyfriend and I are going to be putting up a nail polish rack. In order to secure this to the wall, we screwed in 2 screws, one on the right and one on the left. We also ended up moving this photo. It used to be where the nail polish rack was. Here's the close-up of how I organize the polishes. I know there's a gap on that little space down there, but I do have another D&D Duo coming in the mail. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.